Today we are going to see exercise 6.1, fifth question. If cos A is equal to 2x divided by 1 plus x square, then find the values of sin A and tan A in terms of x. In this question, the cos A, they given that value. That value is 2x divided by 1 plus x square. They are asking to find sin A and tan A. Solution that given is, I am written here, cos A is equal to 2x divided by 1 plus x square. What is the formula for cos? Cos formula is adjacent by hypotenuse. That means adjacent value is 2x. Hypotenuse value is 1 plus x square. We don't know that opposite side. That's first we should find that opposite side. For that, I drawn a right angled triangle in rough column. And given the name of this triangle is ABC. When you see this given, they given as cos A. A they given no, so in A place only angle formed. Here I given that one as angle and given this theta. Then what is that hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is right angled, opposite side is a hypotenuse, that is AB. Here I am written that HYP. Hypotenuse value we know. That value here I am written 1 plus x square. Opposite side is where it is angle formed, no, that is opposite, it is opposite side. We don't know, that's only we are going to find. So here only I am written opposite. Then adjacent is this one. AC is adjacent. Adjacent is they given that question, that is 2x. Here I am written. By using Pythagoras theorem, we are going to find that opposite side. What is that Pythagoras theorem concept is? The longest side square, that is AB square is equal to BC square plus CA square. That is here I am written. Then AB value is 1 plus x square, that is square, is equal to BC, we don't know, you write that same, BC square plus CA value is 2x the whole square. Now expand this one. It is A plus B the whole square formula. A plus B the whole square is A square plus 2AB plus B square. In A place what you are having 1. In B place it is x square. That formula method here I am going to expand. So 1 square, A square is 1 square plus 2AB, 2 into A value 1, B value is x square plus B square is x square, the whole square is equal to BC square plus, when you square this one, 2 into 2 is 4, x into x is x square. 1 square is 1 plus, you multiply this one, 2 into 1 is 2, x square plus here square, then whole square. It will come as x power 4 is equal to BC square plus this one is 4x square. Next step I am going to bring that plus 4x square is this side. It will come as minus 4x square is equal to BC square. See, these two are like term. 2x square, this one is minus 4x square. If like term means we can add or subtract. So 1 as it is, this 2 are like term I told no. Simplify this one. Plus 2 minus 4, it will come as minus 2 x square plus x power 4 is equal to BC square. Then 1 minus 2x square plus x power 4 can be written as x square the whole square is equal to BC square. It is one formula. What is that formula? Concept is A minus B the whole square. Formula is A square minus 2AB plus B square. In the A place you are having as 1. In B places you are having as x square. So it will come as 1 minus x square the whole square is equal to BC square. And this one is I am stating as straight BC square is equal to 1 minus x square the whole square. We want to find only BC. So square comes this side, it will come as root of 1 minus x square the whole square. Now square and root get cancelled. You will get that inside what you are having, it is 1 minus x square. BC means what it is? Opposite. Therefore opposite value is 1 minus x square. What is our question? They are asking is sin A and tan A. So sin A, what is that formula is? Opposite by hypotenuse is equal to, opposite value is this is 1 minus x square divided by hypotenuse 1 plus x square. That value you should write here. Next you should find tan A. Tan A formula is opposite by adjacent is equal to opposite value is 1 minus x square divided by adjacent value is 2x. Sixth question, sin theta is equal to a divided by square root of a square plus b square. Then show that b sin theta is equal to a cos theta. In this question, the sin theta value is given. We have to prove the two sides are equal. That is, b sin theta is equal to a cos theta. Solution. The sixth question is sin theta is equal to a divided by square root of a square plus b square. This is the given in that question. What is the sin theta formula? Opposite by hypotenuse. That means opposite value is a. Hypotenuse value is square root of a square plus b square. We don't know that adjacent side. First you should find that adjacent side. Then only we have to prove. For that we should draw a right angle triangle in rough column. Give the name as A, B, C. In this question they given us angle as theta. So in A place or C place we can form a angle. Here I formed angle as at C place. Then you should find that hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is AC. Opposite is AB. Adjacent is BC. We already know that opposite value. Opposite is A, no? In the rough column I am written as A. Hypotenuse, here I am written as square root of A square plus B square. We don't know that adjacent side. By using Pythagoras theorem, we should find that adjacent side. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC value is square root of A square plus B square the whole square is equal to AB value is A square plus BC we don't know, so you write the same thing. Here see that one square and square root get cancelled. What you are having that inside is A square plus B square is equal to A square plus BC square. Then you bring that A square as opposite side, it will come as minus A square. Here when you see here already one A square it is there, that is plus, this one is minus A square, it will be get cancelled. You will get B square is equal to BC square. Implies BC square is equal to B square. We want to find only BC. Both the side you are having square, no, it will get cancelled. Answer is B. Therefore BC value is B. That is what? Adjacent. Adjacent value is B. In the question they given us, we have to prove that B sin theta is equal to A cos theta. Both are equal, we have to prove. That is written here. B into sin theta is they given in that question itself. So that one I am written here. A divided by square root of A square plus B square is equal to A. We don't know the cos theta. Cos theta only find it is, formula is adjacent by hypotenuse is equal to adjacent value is B divided by hypotenuse value is square root of A square plus B square. That is here I am written B divided by square root of A square plus B square. B and A we can multiply this one. It will come as AB divided by square root of A square plus B square is equal to, here also we can multiply, that is A into B is AB divided by square root of A square plus B square. When you see this one, you will get a equal answer. So we proved that both are equal. Seventh question, if 3 cot A is equal to 2, then find the value of 4 sin A minus 3 cos A divided by 2 sin A plus 3 cos A. Seventh question is solution. That given I am written here, 3 cot A is equal to 2. Cot A is equal to, this 3 will come as a denominator. It is 2 divided by 3. What is the formula for cot? Cot is adjacent by opposite. That means adjacent value is 2, opposite value is 3. we don't know that hypotenuse value. By using that right angle triangle only, we can find that hypotenuse value. For that, I drawn a right angled triangle and given the name as ABC. Cot A, the given as the cot A. Here A given. That means in A place angle is forming. Here I mark theta. After that you should find which one is hypotenuse, opposite, adjacent. AC is the hypotenuse. In A place angle is forming means this is opposite side. In AB is adjacent side. We know that adjacent value is 2. Here I am written 2. Opposite value is 3. In diagram I am written here it is 3. We don't know that hypotenuse, so I marked as a question mark. By using Pythagoras theorem concept, we should find that AC. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC we don't know, so you write same, is equal to AB value is 2 square plus BC value is 3. So you write here 3 square. 2 square means 4 plus 3 square is 3 into 3 is 9. 4 plus 9 is 13. This is AC square is equal to 13. Square comes this side, it will come as root 13. Therefore, AC value is square root of 13. That is, hypotenuse value is square root of 13. Now we know that hypotenuse, adjacent and opposite. In that question, they given us to find 4 sin A minus 3 cos A divided by 2 sin A plus 3 cos A is equal to 4 into sin A. Here they given no. In sin formula I am written here opposite by hypotenuse, minus 3 into cos formula is adjacent by hypotenuse. The whole divided by, likewise 2 into sin formula is opposite by hypotenuse plus 3 into cos formula is adjacent by hypotenuse is equal to 4 into opposite value is 3 divided by hypotenuse value is root 13 minus 3 into adjacent value is 2, hypotenuse value is root 13. The whole divided by 2 into opposite value 3 divided by hypotenuse value is root 13 plus 3 into adjacent value is 2 divided by root 13. Here multiply these two are numerator, no, 4 into 3 is 12 divided by root 13 minus, likewise here also you multiply 3 into 2 is 6 divided by root 13. The whole divided by 2 into 3 is 6 divided by root 13 plus 3 into 2 is 6 divided by root 13. See here denominator is same. That means directly we can subtract in the numerator. 12 minus 6 is 6. So 6 divided by root 13. That's only here I am written 12 minus 6 divided by root 13. Likewise here also denominator same. The whole divided by 6 plus 6 is divided by root 13. Now simplify 12 minus 6, 6 divided by root 13. The whole divided by 6 plus 6 is 12 divided by root 13. This 6 divided by root 13 into here it will change the reciprocal. Root 13 divided by 12. Root 13 get cancel. In 6 table it is 1 times, 12 is 2 times. So answer is 1 divided by 2.